The St. Mary police are investigating a shooting incident in Endfield last night. According to reports, about minutes after 8, a group of Jamaica Labour Party JLP supporters was standing in their community when they heard shots. One woman who was among the group of 5 told TVJ News that the shots were being fired in their direction.
The shots started to fire, 2 shots. And I have to take up my put in my hand and run. I don't know if I read them or fire it off an hour, I don't know, but right on the roadside, over this side here, and we hear the shots start fire and we have to run.
They also said that the shots were heard right after a People's National Party meeting ended. They're calling for calm in the parish, especially since the by-election is just a few days away. Meanwhile, the head of the Area 2 Police, Assistant Commissioner of Police Norman Haywood, says he's aware of the incident but cannot confirm whether it's politically motivated.